Abu Dhabi, the pride of the UAE and the capital city, is known for its uncompromising attitude to provide the best to its residents. That's where we thrive. Riviere Mineral Water, one of the finest homegrown brands of Abu Dhabi. The inspiring story of Riviere Mineral Water began in 2003. The company today has two most modern bottling plants at Abu Dhabi, spread out in healthy and hygienic surroundings. The facility is equipped to produce 5 gallons bottles and employs a multinational workforce of trained and experienced staff. At Riviere Water's world-class water purification plant, we persistently follow stringent quality control measures. From procuring the finest raw materials to delivering their favorite drinking water to our loyal customers, we steadfastly follow globally proven methods. Our uncompromising quality standards demand absolute purity. Hence, the treated water is disinfected once again in the stainless steel ozone tank before it's bottled. At every stage, the purity of water is stubbornly measured using advanced scientific methods so that every drop you consume is full of nourishing vitality and pleasant taste. The meticulous methods we follow in bottling the water continues till it reaches your homes. Riviere Mineral Water is perfectly healthy for the whole family. Mineral Water, one of the finest homegrown brands of Abu Dhabi.